Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to remove power-ups from your boards or from your workspace in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, or you can just sign in with your email and create a new one. So after that, you will need just to follow the simple steps. So after you succeed in connecting to your workspace, you will need to go to your boards, and to do so, you will need just to click on the boards menu or the boards button here in this navigation tab, and it will show up the list of your boards that you have in your workspace. And basically, we need just to access any board, and as you can see, those are your boards. And either you can go to power apps and it will give you all the power apps that you have here, and you can just disable or hide on board this one, or you can go to settings of the power up because I have only one power up, and go to settings, and then you will click on disable. In this way your power up will be removed from your boards, or it won't be activated. Another way to remove your power ups is by going to your card, click on it, and here you will find power ups section, and then we are going to click on add power up so we can see the list of power ups that we have in our Trello application. And basically you will go to enabled power ups and go to settings, and for the power up that you want to remove, you click on settings and then you will click on disable, and this is how you will find that your power ups have been disabled successfully or removed successfully. So let's just, as you can see, we cannot see the power up anymore here because it was already here send board, and now it has been disappeared. That means that we could remove our power ups successfully. So basically this is how you can remove your power ups in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.